Subtractive manufacturing is not a replacement of additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing is not a replacement of subtractive manufacturing. We need to think through the design philosophies and make something function-driven generative design to be able to take advantage of all these things. And a lot of industries, right from toy making, mold making, wire harnesses, automotive, aerospace industries, everyone can take advantage of this kind of facility.
Raphe is the pioneer in the Indian defense industry, and I think that Mr. Mishra is the, I would say, the Elon Musk, okay, of the defense industry in India. Okay, so it's like really good to be with him.
So right now, the type of products that we have ranges from a small surveillance UAV that has limited endurance, but that is very lightweight, so it's very convenient, to another type of surveillance UAV that is a larger, longer endurance, fly as a swarm.
We are very proud to be part of journey with Raphe to make the next-gen aerospace and UAV components. The way they are exploring and utilizing the additive manufacturing and 3D printing technology is the whole reason why Formlabs exists.
So we at Markforged are proud and excited to share that Raphe is the first in India to install the Markforged FX20, a true game changer in high-strength, high-temperature 3D printing. Building on the success of Mark II, Metal X and X7 platforms, the FX20 now elevates their capabilities to a new level, enabling faster innovation.
We are at Raphe, India's largest additive manufacturing center, having more than 80 3D printers under one roof. This isn't just a facility, it's a landmark of innovation packed with many firsts. Raphe is the first in India to have Markforged FX20, the largest composite printer from Markforged portfolio. Raphe is the first one to bring in Phillips additive hybrid in the facility to produce metal 3D printed part with machining facility. Raphe has the largest fleet of 50 plus Formlabs SLA printers to produce UAV parts, which is 10x more than any other facility in the country.
It's not just 3D printing for prototyping, it's truly 3D printing for production. And so you'll have a lot of parts that get 3D printed and then gets assembled into the drone and serve different purposes. And the flexibility that we have today with 3D printing of various materials and the time it takes, the cost, and so on has been tremendously helpful.
So our mission at Raphe has always been to make India self-reliant, and part of that mission is to do indigenous manufacturing. For this, from the very start, we have had this partnership with Haas, where we were able to do subtractive manufacturing, and we were able to ensure that we are able to get that precision, be it cutting of molds to making parts which are rotating for our foldable drones. We are able to make complex parts by having the combination of additive and subtractive going together. The constant support that Phillips has offered us in terms of training, in terms of introducing us to manpower, has enabled us to scale our company and to get high experienced machinists and people who are able to build these tool parts on these machineries, which are very critical in order to optimize the manufacturing that we have to do using these machineries.
Phillips has been a great partner to identify the right technologies and bring it here. As a partner with us, we have deployed a lot of firsts for India.
This partnership is more than just about the technology. It's about combining Raphe's passion for innovation with Phillips Additive's experts in advanced manufacturing.